what are your high risk ideas for our viewers today?
First one, which I'm suggesting, is a sell on Axis Bank. Now, private sector banks have been, struggling. Quite evidently, you've seen many of the private sector banks, taking resistance at their midterm moving averages and failing to cross over that. Axis Bank is one of the stocks, in the same category. Would suggest a sell on the stock. It's formed a fresh swing low for itself. So sell with a target of 650. Stop loss could be kept at 704. The second stock which I'm suggesting is a sell on SBI. In fact, on Thursday previous week on the same show, and reiterated a sell on SBI, expecting that the stock would break below that 350 mark. I think it's very near towards breaking that 350 levels today, and I would expect some more downward drift into the stock price further. So the failure of the stock breaking past above its 50-day moving average is acting as a major hurdle and a resistance for SBI. Keeping that in regards, I would expect that the stock would correct to at least 336 to 342 range over the near term. So sell with a target of approximately 336, 342 range, and stop loss could be trailed to 357 on SBI.
Indicator of the mood in the markets. Kunal, both of your calls today are sell calls. Let's, on that note, go over to Vijay Chopra, the Managing Director and CEO of Enoch Ventures. Thanks so much for joining us, and good morning to you, Vijay. Just to get a sense from you, I think a lot of people say that bouts of selling provide a good opportunity for long-term investors. Would you, however, say that it's a pragmatic approach to just wait till the dust settles, till we know the extent of this second wave before you jump into a few strategic names? And what do you pick for our viewers today?
That corrections are a part of the bull market. And we are in a long-term bull run, and there is no two thoughts about it. And I think that, this sudden increase in the COVID cases, and, primarily we have this concentrated, surge in the COVID cases. About 60% of the national cases are coming from Maharashtra only. So I think that, the Indian think tank needs to get into action. The central government, along with the state government, should take very stringent steps to control it. Now we have the vaccine at hand also, which was not the case earlier. So there is definitely some respite. So I think that market at times it exaggerates the fear, and it exaggerates the celebration also. So it's a pendulum-like movement in the market. So I would say that this too shall pass, and definitely, as you said, the dust would settle. And I would not be worried if the markets do not breach the March low of 14,260 to 70 odd. So if at all it is not breached and the markets rebound from there, I think that I would be very comfortable, and we would start buying. But as of now, as you're asking me that what would be your pick in today's market, I would prefer to stay conservative and be with IT companies. And I think that HCL Tech trading at 1010, it looks good for a target of 1100. And my second recommendation would be Wipro, which is trading at 425. It could be bought for a target of 450.